While men fought on the front lines, women around the world waged their own battle, not with guns or tanks but with courage, intelligence, and determination. They built the weapons, flew the planes, and saved the wounded. Without them, victory might never have come. When World War II began, millions of men left for the front lines, leaving empty factories, hospitals, and offices. Governments turned to women to fill the gap. For the first time, women became engineers, mechanics, and pilots, breaking barriers that had stood for generations. In the United States, the image of Rosie the Riveter became a symbol of strength, inspiring more than 6 million women to build ships, planes, and ammunition. Across the Atlantic, British women of the Air Transport Auxiliary ferried new aircraft from factories to the front, sometimes under enemy fire, often without radios or weapons. At Bletchley Park, thousands of women worked as codebreakers and radio operators, deciphering secret Nazi messages, a silent army behind the scenes. And across occupied Europe, women joined the resistance movements, carrying messages, hiding soldiers, and sabotaging rail lines. Many were captured. Many never returned. They didn't fight for medals or glory, they fought for freedom, for their families, for a better world. From the factories to the front lines, these ordinary women did something extraordinary. They helped win the greatest war in history, and in doing so they changed what women could do forever.